You got the goods?
Where's
It's outside, parked at the back. The machine, decades of neglect, needs a lot of work. But she's a beauty. I'll fix you up. You've seen better days, old friend. But that power is still there. Let's bring it back. All right, hook secured. Let's bring her up slowly. Nice and steady. We're almost there. Time to see what you're really made of. This fracture runs too deep. The integrity is completely compromised. Looks like we'll need a full replacement then. All right. All right. This one's worth saving.
Time to get serious with this grime.
All right, let's take a look. Yep, frozen solid and cracked. That's not good.
Steadily, it's taken apart and rebuilt with new parts.
All right, time to get this rust off. Perfectly smooth, it's ready. All right, time for the color coat. Just like new. After all these years, the identity is restored. All right, let's see if it works.
Whatcho?
Whatcho, it works too well. Turn it off. Time to ride, old friend.
Come on, you. Just a little kick. There it is. After all this time. It's breathing. All right, time to move.
Engine start sequence initiated.
After all these years, she still gleams. She's finally ready. Look at her glow. Now, let's see what she can do. Look at that. Incredible.